Welcome back to that third video. So in the first two videos, I showed you how to sign up to Kosmik and use the basics, like how to pan and zoom. In the second one, we showed you how to use the web browser. And in that third one, I'm going to show you how to use the PDF reader, which is one of our marquee features. So if you want to read a PDF in Kosmik, to import one, you can either drag it in directly on the canvas, or you can just click here on the import file button and just click here. And we're going to import the PDF directly on the canvas. In that universe, you already have everything you need to play around with the PDF reader. One very neat thing with the Kosmik PDF reader is if you click on a PDF, you press space, or you use that button, we're going to open it in the side panel. The PDF, just like the web, is one of those objects that really leverages that UI element. Here, if I read a PDF, what I can do is I can click on capture, select something, click extract, and put it on the canvas. Really neat, really useful. I'm going to show you why in a few seconds. If you have a PDF with a high quality enough text, you can also highlight some text and drag it in on the canvas. We OCR the files, which is very handy. You can switch from one page to another using the arrows. We also auto tag PDF and add descriptions. We're going to dive into the details of that in the fourth and last video. So if we go back to the canvas, I've extracted that image. If I click on it, click on the source, I'm going to reopen the PDF at the correct page. Since it was the first page, it may not be that evident. So let's use one of the example files that I have there. If I click here, click there, reopen at the correct page. Click here, click there, reopen at the correct page. And so that's why Kosmik PDF Reader is so useful, so easy to use, and so precious. You can just select something, drag it out, put it on the canvas, extract it. It's going to be described, have tags. You can add notes. In a future release, we'll add arrows so you can connect those items together. We'll add annotations so you can annotate within the file or directly on the canvas. So that's a very quick tutorial on how to use Kosmik PDF Reader. Jump to the fourth video to see how we're going to use the auto tagging system, the description system, the search engine, and highlight. There will also be a fifth video on how to manage a workspace, share universes, or publish them on the web. Thank you and see you very soon. Bye.